These days, cloud is considered as differentiator and not just a utility. But in addition to that, you must be very cognizant of the costs. One of the dark secret of the cloud is cloud egress costs. They are truly a nightmare to understand and forecast. It's also the best example of cloud provider lock-in. It represents how much provider will charge you to take your data out of their data centers. Affordable prices and efficient services should be the only customer retainer and not the egress cost. It is just like holding a gun at customer's head. In this video, I'm going to show you how much would it cost you to move 50 terabyte of data from different cloud providers. As you can see on this screen, Alibaba is the most expensive, but that might not be that much of a worry. But the second in the line is really very concerning, and that is AWS, which is the premier and the most popular cloud, and most of the organizations are in the AWS. AWS is also the oldest, and primarily it is the first choice of many small, medium, and big enterprises because it is old, it has a wide array of services, it is multi-purpose, a general cloud, and plus its services are also good. Having said that, as you can see, it will cost you more than 4,000 US dollars to move out of AWS just the 50 terabyte of data. Most of the organizations which move to the cloud or migrate to the cloud move hundreds of terabytes of data every year. And then you also generate a lot of data as you are in the cloud. So just imagine how much would it cost you to get out of AWS if, for example, your organization's policy change or if you find a better cloud in the future. So AWS really needs to lift their game in this area. Google Cloud is also not far behind, which was actually a bit surprising for me because I always thought that Google is very competitive on the price and they always try to catch up with AWS. But as you can see, that is not the case here. Azure is also not far behind, but that is Microsoft, so you can expect that. Well, IBM Cloud, that is again a bit of a surprise that $2,000 to move out of the 50 terabyte of data given the size of the IBM's cloud, and one would have thought that they would really be competitive and give more incentive to their customers, but apparently that is not the case here. One of the real pleasant surprise was Oracle Cloud. The cost is minimal if you know the Oracle licensing nightmare. My previous life was all about Oracle DBA, and I used to deal with Oracle database and other Oracle products licensing a lot. And I can assure you that is one um, very dark place you really don't want to go. It's understanding Oracle licensing in terms of servers like CPU cores and all that stuff is real hard, and you need a full-time person for that. So I was thinking maybe when this French cloud management company Holori is releasing these average egress prices, Oracle will top the charts. But again, a very pleasant surprise. Oracle's egress cost from out of their Oracle cloud infrastructure is real low, and I hope that they will maintain that. And rest of the lot like uh, Scaleway, OVH are sort of zero or very minimal. DigitalOcean, which is growing quite steadily, is also doing good in this regard. So I hope that one takeaway from this video is that AWS really needs to lift its game in terms of egress cost. Plus, whenever you're migrating to cloud or in the cloud, and if you're thinking of moving out, you must take egress cost into the consideration. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments, please put them down below the video. Thanks.